jumping on the bed. It's so often. 7.
Can you sing it? 7 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
There's one left.
Yeah, can you?
7 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. I'm called the doctor, and doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Yay, good job.
6 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor?
Mom called doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Good job, Nikos.